Hey everyone, it's Ken and Andrea from Northern Viking Explorer, and we're here at the River Rock Casino Resort right by the Vancouver International Airport. We want to give you a quick tour of our room.
We're staying in Suite 1073. It is a one-bedroom executive marina suite.
Yeah, and we'll show you that in a moment, but this hotel is great because it's right on the SkyTrain line that runs right from the Vancouver International Airport to downtown Vancouver. And there's a stop right here at the hotel, so super convenient. You don't need a car if you're heading to downtown or to the airport. It's a great spot if you're cruising out of Vancouver. Now, there's some great amenities as well. Great dining. Gordon Ramsay's steak is here. Of course, they've got the casino as well as a wonderful pool. So let's give you a quick tour of our room. So Andrea, a quick tour?
Yes, let's start up by the entryway. When you come in, you've got your light switch, as well as there's a privacy and makeup room button and a closet right here, which is nice. They included an umbrella because you can get rain here in Vancouver.
There's some extra pillows and stuff. And we've got the washroom here, right? The tub.
Yeah, it's quite deep.
Definitely is.
As well as there's Mother Earth shampoo, conditioner, and body wash.
The big shower head and the curtain there.
You've got your toilet.
What's that on the wall?
So this is peppermint sage body lotion. Oh, it smells good. It smells.
Does it?
Yeah, you smell the peppermint. There's a bar of soap for your hands, as well as some cups and a hairdryer, and a nice magnifying mirror.
So back outside the washroom, there is a big mirror off to the left here, and there's stairs that take you down into the living room, which is quite large.
Yeah, it gives you quite a grand feeling because the ceiling is very high in here.
Mm-hmm. So let's have a look over here. We've got a desk or a workstation.
There's a phone, as well as there's outlets in here. So if you need to plug your computer or whatnot there.
Nice. Quite a large couch and coffee table. Mm-hmm. Is it comfy?
Well, I can test it out. Yeah, that's good.
What I really like is these huge windows. So we can see the airport right down there.
Lots of natural light.
So yeah, we're quite close to the airport. There's also an outlet mall right over there as well. So we're really close to that. Opposite the couch is a TV. And what's in the drawers here?
Check
or
this
cupboards?
So there's a mini fridge here.
Okay.
There's two drawers on this side. But over here
the safe.
is the safe.
Nice. And
another drawer.
Honestly, the most important part though.
Yeah. Oh, the coffee
The
maker.
Lavazza coffee maker, and there's a couple flavors of coffee there, as well as a kettle.
And there's also two complimentary waters here.
Nice. All right, let's check out the bedroom. Double doors.
Double doors. Welcome to the bedroom.
Yeah. A big king-size bed. Two nightstands. There's a smaller, maybe a 32-inch TV back here, and a dresser. Mm-hmm. And more great views. So that's the Fraser River out there. And Vancouver, downtown Vancouver is off that way.
And over here on this side, we have the closet that has two robes in there, as well as the ironing board and the iron.
Mm-hmm. And there's a little, what do you call that, a makeup station?
Possibly.
Something like that?
Yeah.
A mirror. So really nice suite here at the River Rock Casino Resort.